welcome to this gorgeous Wednesday from Cleveland Hopkins International Airport. Had snow on the ground the last 2 or 3 days, but it's melted away throughout the day. United 1975 inbound from Fort Lauderdale. American 2336 inbound from Dallas.
You're cleared to Mansfield Airport via Proceed Direct, and you can pass along the approaches you're requesting with her when you check in.
United Flight 1752 inbound from Newark.
Hey, whatever works easier for you guys.
Southwest 737 rolling out. Frontier 2014 inbound from Las Vegas. They didn't have time to switch cameras, so I guess we'll film it with this one. 2396 heading to BWI. Video. This camera has okay video. It's 4K, but it's not quite as nice as the AX43 I usually shoot with. It's certainly not as nice as the my A7 is. But I do have way more zoom. Piper. Turned super short final for 2-4 left. Just turned right over the field. Spirit 1099 inbound from Fort Lauderdale. Eagle 4778 inbound from JFK. Little news about American this week. The Allegheny retro livery was repainted in the regular American colors. I've heard rumors both ways. I've heard that all the retros are going away. I've also heard that they're going to be put on new airplanes. So we'll have to wait and see. Hopefully the rumors are true. They're going to get repainted, but we'll have to wait and see. So if you're wondering what was up with the Sarah McLachlan video I posted the other day. As long as the bare metal sticks around at the very least. That'll be Delta Connection 4632 inbound from JFK. Got a couple of trips coming up. Probably going to go to Columbus tomorrow. The first round of the NCAA men's basketball tournament is one of the rounds being played at Columbus. So we're going to go down there and see if we get some of the flights coming in. I see 4 teams came in today. 3 on Allegiant, 1 on Avelo. So we'll see if anything comes in tomorrow. Possibly going to Pittsburgh or Columbus this weekend. We'll wait and see how things go. And then we might go somewhere next weekend. And we'll see how things go. I got a vacation coming up, so I know we got a special event that I'm going to go to. We're looking forward to bringing all those to you over the next couple of weeks. Chief 747 is in the same shot. Another Delta Connection CRJ. This flight is inbound from Detroit. I also saw today that the Alaska Star Wars livery went to Detroit today. So that's been at Cincinnati, Pittsburgh, and now Detroit. Hopefully we see it here soon, either up here at Cleveland or down in Columbus. Thought about going up there today, but it's kind of hard with work. So, I mean, I do typically have the ability to kind of take my laptop and work anywhere, but a little bit of a challenge to get to Detroit. But hopefully in the future, maybe that'll be one of the places we go when I'm off next week or 2 weeks from now. I've been looking at going to probably Dulles in April. Learjet inbound from Panama City, Florida.
They're using 24 left now to take off. Alright, we'll pick up information, Papa current, please not under 3022, runway 24 left departure, wind 2407.
Guess 330 inbound from Seattle.
14 to number 2 for departure, monitor tower today.
It's just a run-of-the-mill 737-900 today.
Number 4630, contact tower. Okay, day.
Got a Delta A321 taxiing out.
4630, 24 left. 330 left at pop across 24 left, traffic hold in position.
They'll be leaving here shortly for Atlanta.
4 left, last to 330.
10:38 heading to Charlotte. Oh, we'll definitely have enough daylight for FedEx. We'll definitely have enough daylight for FedEx. Time change. $6:30.
07 now, but you can still hang it on the ramp for the 07 time.
Delta, I believe the flight number was 1104 if I understood correctly. It's an A321 that we're heading to Atlanta. Atlanta is one of the other trips I wouldn't mind taking later this year. I know we are planning on going to Dallas for Airlines International. Possibly going to go to Las Vegas. That might be the backup plan if we don't go to Dulles here in a couple of weeks. I wouldn't mind filming some Janets. Red Flag is this week out of Nellis. There's all kinds of military activity going on out that way.
Alright, right, direct pink boys now, down 4630.
Someday we're going to get out there for that. We shall see what the coming months. 184 inbound from Los Angeles.
That's a long flight.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh!
That would be a long flight on a Spirit Airbus. Still up in the air what's going to happen with the merger. The Department of Justice, I believe, sued to get the merger stopped. We'll see if they make any concessions and if the merger goes through or not. .432 inbound from Orlando. Flight 641 inbound from Boston. Got a business jet departing on the other runway. United Express 3619 inbound from Newark. Another special livery.
Cruise tower number 3, wind 2.07, will make your right call in. Clear to land.
Frontier 2432 inbound from Tampa, I think. See the shadow of the tail on the contrail? Look at that. .1281 inbound from Orlando. I have another 747 pass by. This one should be close enough we might actually be able to get it. Got another United. It's parked over by that Delta 75, the charter flight that came in earlier. I'm not sure what's going on. There's a few vehicles with flashing lights near it. They don't look like ambulance or fire. They look kind of like airport vehicles with yellow lights, but I'm not sure what's going on out there. 2243 about for Washington Dulles. Southwest 2773. It's a MAX 8 inbound from Baltimore. United. Level Airlines, Madrid to Dallas. I don't know anything about this airline. $50.29 inbound from LaGuardia. Jet inbound FedEx 356 heavy. It's our 767 inbound from Memphis. Had the time change, which means we can start to catch these again. Probably catch the UPS one. It comes in a little bit later here soon too. That'll do it for today from Cleveland Hopkins International Airport. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you didn't do so already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button down below. Got a lot of new subscribers to the channel lately. I really appreciate you all being here. We'll catch you next time. We're going to head on home, get some dinner. Probably head to Columbus tomorrow. We'll see what charters come in and what special Livery might come in too. Maybe we'll get lucky. And then head either to Pittsburgh or Columbus this weekend. We shall see what goes on with the weather and plans and all that. So got some cool things coming up. Looking forward to bringing those to you. I just want to thank everyone for your support, and we'll catch you next time. Have a great night, everybody.